Hey Dan, this is Scott Walker. I am in BNI in Utah, and that's how I got your information. So making this video, kind of showing you what I do, just showing you I do digital marketing, and I've been helping out a lot of auto glass companies, and I figured if you were interested, then awesome, and if not, no harm, no foul. So I usually start with your website, go over your Google business profile, and then also Google Ads as well. So those are kind of the three topics that three areas that I work with. But for starters, one thing I'd highly recommend for your website is to add more content. And it looks like you have a lot of blogs because of the keywords that you're being found for, but it doesn't look like there's too many buyer intent keywords. And what I mean by that is, windshield replacement and then in a location. So I don't know if you service Minneapolis, or I know that's kind of a half hour away, but or even in Blaine. So like windshield replacement, Blaine, Minnesota, that would be a buyer intent keyword. The other thing you could do, all of your images, if you save them correctly, it does say windshield replacement, which is better than I've seen most, but then if you add add a space and also a location, that's really good for you. This is a tool I use called Ahrefs. This will show me your analytics and kind of tell me where you're setting. The DR and UR is the strength and trust that Google has for your website. These are on a scale of 100, and you want to make sure that those are balanced and continuously moving up. You're currently at 28 and 7, and that's due to your referring pages and domains. And if you don't know what those are, they're backlinks. And what a backlink is when one website links to another website via clickable button or text. But not all backlinks are created equal, so you do want to make sure to stay relevant to your industry and location. It looks like you're being found for 3,200 keywords, and most of these keywords that I looked at, I would say are coming through your blogs, like windshield crack types. You are in this 8th position, and you're getting 36 people to your website for that search. But the types of searches that I like to go after are, like I said, buyer intent keywords, which usually include a service and a location. So you're doing great with your blogs. You have lots of content on your website, which is great, but you don't have those buyer intent keywords to have them convert from just a search to an actual customer for you. So I did do a search for windshield replacement Blaine, and always on the top is going to be your Google Ads. This is where I've helped many clients, and most of them get anywhere from 3 to 5 times their investment on a return on their investment, I should say. And so this is where I've been helping a lot. There's a few things here. I did look up windshield replacement, so you want to see those words in this part instead of contact precision auto. Do you know if they work in Blaine? Do you know if they actually do? This says RV glass replacement. Do they do regular car? I mean, they should, but do you actually know? No, you don't. You'd have to go to their landing page. So to optimize your ad groups, you would want to make sure to separate them thematically or by themes. And pretty much what that means is like windshield replacement and windshield repair would both be different ad groups. And then even windshield replacement and auto glass replacement would be different ad groups because those are the terms you're looking for. So there's a lot to optimize here for getting a good click-through rate. And then you have the landing page experience. And for that, you want to have a big call button up here, maybe a form submit, with your VIN number and all that, and then what you do and where you do it right here with the background image of a windshield replacement or something like that going on, so that everything says, hey, this is a windshield replacement. Okay, cool. So that's kind of how you can get better conversion rates from a landing page and also your ad groups. And then being in the Google Business Profile, which you guys are for this particular keyword, getting reviews, you're doing awesome. Almost 80 reviews at 5-star. That's great. That's the best way to keep going. But you could always be adding adding branded geotagged or geolocated photos weekly to show Google you're growing your business organically, and also try and get in other locations in your surrounding areas, especially if you're down in Minneapolis at all. You want to be found for these searches. In between the Google Business Profile and ads, about 60 to 70% of the traffic goes to those two, so it is beneficial to be in both. And then we move down into your organic listings, and it looks like Auto Glass Minnesota is one of your top competitors. I mean, you are number 3, which is great, but you are behind these two. So looking at their website, they don't have a lot of content on here. So when you have more content, better buyer intent keywords, the authoritative backlinks and citations, you can start to outrank your competitors. And I did Minneapolis and also Blaine, so between the two of them, there's almost 600 searches each month for just Windshield, not auto glass. Windshield replacement Minneapolis, there's 200 searches a month. Windshield repair Minneapolis. These are the types of keywords that I think are buyer intent. And so when you outrank your competitors, a percentage of these total volumes will start going to your website instead of your competition. And then a percentage of the people going to your website will give you a call, and depending on your closing rate, we'll turn into a customer for you. So Dan, enjoy your vacation. Once again, sorry to interrupt it, but I look forward to talking to you. And if you're interested, let's set up a discovery call. If not, no harm, no foul, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks, bye.